Hey folks, my name is Sergey Lemberg. My law firm, Lemberg & Associates, has acted as counsel in many class action cases, and I want to talk to you today about 5 things you need to know about class actions. The first thing you need to know about class actions is that a class action lawsuit is different from an individual case. Now, in an individual case, a person can sue a corporation or a person can sue another person, and the consequence is only to that other person. In a class action case, however, if the case gets certified, not only are the plaintiff's rights being administered or resolved, other people who are in the class, as the court defines the class, may be affected as well. So that gets us to thing number 2. Thing number 2, lawyers in class action lawsuits are prosecuting the case on behalf of other class members, not just on behalf of the individual plaintiff, but on behalf of the entire group. Thing number 3, lawyers in class action cases frequently will not charge you money up front. They will not ask you for a retainer to represent you in a class action suit. That's because most class action lawsuits are handled by lawyers on contingency. So the lawyer gets a piece of the recovery down the road if there is recovery, and there is high risk, but if there is recovery, a lawyer may be able to get a piece of that recovery as approved by the court. Thing number 4 you have to understand is that there's a lot of criticism of class actions out there. And people say, oh, class actions are for the rich, they're for the lawyers. Lawyers get the biggest chunk. That may be true. Lawyers work on contingencies in these cases that I just told you, and that means that lawyers may sometimes recover large chunks of money as their contingency fees in class action cases. Now, some people say that's bad. I disagree. I think that's a good thing. It acts as a check on corporate behavior. It acts as an incentive for lawyers to take on cases. It's a significant risk that lawyers take when they accept a case on a class action basis and take it forward. Thousands of dollars are spent, so it's an important incentive for lawyers to continue to prosecute these cases. And thing number 5, finally, let me give you a pitch. If you're thinking about filing a class action case against a big corporation or a company that has wronged you, give us a call, see if we can help. We don't accept every case, but we have filed many cases as class actions, and we look forward to reviewing your case if you indeed have one.